Master Yoda, you survived.
Feisty one you are!
Thanks, Lauren! Won't be a minute!
Is that a fish? Yeah. Is that a fish?
Yes, Lauren! It's a fucking fish!
And use the friction generated whilst thinking about her tits to make you cum.
Spelt C-U-M.
Feisty one you are!
Why are you talking like that?
Hello? Love, I've seen it all before.
I've just baked you a finger pie. Why don't you come and taste it?
It says here I'm going to work at a garage.
Yes?
Come on.
Yes?
Me? A garage?
Yes?
Does that seem likely?
Yes? What did you put down as your first choice, Sutherland?
Airplane driver.
And that is?
Airplane driver.
Thanks.
You mean a
Airplane driver. Airplane driver.